Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. What are my pandas? Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining, everybody. We're back live at it again. A full day of trading today. How wonderful. I'm down 345. That's only because of yesterday. If you guys don't know, yesterday's yesterday counts as yesterday and today counts as one day. So whatever your P&L was yesterday will carry over to today for Apex at least. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. We trade a Nascraq here every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I am the number one price action panda. I'm the only price action panda. Vanilla Hawk. Good morning, Fat Fish. Good morning. Trump speaking twice today. All right. I saw that he's speaking at 9 p.m., so I'm not sure it's going to affect today, at least for us. Jamil. Good morning. Welcome, everybody. If you're just joining, make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat. Toadman. Good morning, everybody. What are we going to do today, Panis? What are we doing today? What we're doing today is sticking to the plan. These accounts, Pandas, I'm going to master. I'm going to absolutely master money management. The moment I hit max loss or max win, I'm done. I am done. I'm finished. Kaputs. Sticking to the plan, man. Always. Always. That's the plan. Nothing else. It's not about making money. It's not about anything else, Panis. It's all about sticking to the plan. We're in trading range. First things first, you gotta identify the market cycle. Are we in a limit order market or stop order market? Wow, okay. It looked like the market just opened, but it didn't. It like spiked back down. Looks like a trading range right now. Why is it that we always get movement in the off hours? Like, where was this movement before? In the regular trading hours? If I were to make a trading range, I think it would look like that right here. Blame Canada. Oh, Canada. You guys ever watch that show? Oh, Canada? Pan. Pan. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Are you ready? I'm gonna wait till market opens. I was thinking about going short here, but sitting my pause. I was thinking about going short right there, just because it feels like trading range. Yeah, I'm sitting my pause, waiting till market opens. I mean, the market is moving all of a sudden, like 2 minutes before market opens. Just kind of wild, but it's not really a setup. I mean, if it broke above this candle by one tick, but look, it didn't. It micro double top. We hit the bottom of the trading range. We can come back to the top of the trading range. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's dropping. We might just begin the day near the previous day's close, which would be nice, filling the gap right off the bat. It's such a strong move down. You're thinking it's going to continue down. You're thinking it's going to continue down. It's such a strong move down. It's like unusually strong move down. Coming out of nowhere. Like strongest move we've had. Other than this move here. It's the strongest move we've had so far in a while. I was going to wait till market opens, but I cannot wait here. I'm jumping on the momentum here. The momentum train. In this trade. Small risk. It's such a high probability, seems like. One of those trades that's just super strong move down. Just try and jump in the momentum here. And your obvious like target here. Hopefully market open will be our friend. Hopefully. Oh, it looks like we're gonna get hit. We shall see. I was seeing a follow through on the 2500 tick chart. Market open like 2 seconds. Hopefully we survive here. Whoa. Okay. We're alive still, so that's a good sign. Let's see if we get any follow through here. Oh, okay. Decent push down. Decent push down. Very decent push down. Hello. I can come out break even here if I want to. Right, take my risk off. Beeline to fill the gap. Oh, wow. Missed my target by like a tick. Missed my target by an absolute tick right there. That's ridiculous. Looks like we're gonna get hit. Ooh, we're still in this trade. We're absolutely still in this trade. Missed my target by a tick. I think I'm just gonna hold this. I'll just come out break even if I have to. It's all good. Second to short trigger is really good for us. If it reverses here, it is what it is. Just let it go. This could really push down here. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see a strong push down. Hello? Where are you? Nice. There it is. Am I getting greedy here? I don't think so. I think it makes sense to hit the previous week's. Easy peasy. And just like that, pandas, we are back green from yesterday's losses. One trade. That's all it took. Easy peasy. And that's how you do it, pandas. $600. How many points was that? 600 or 32-point trade, pandas. And I only risked like 9 points on that trade. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, scalp that like button. 5-minute notice. There's a small gap here we may need to fill. Second inch is short again. Now we're bouncing off a key area, which is the previous week's high. Maybe I want to sit on my pause here for a little bit. I don't know if I want a straight up reversal. We might get it. Strong bull partying on its high. Should I look for a trap trade is a question. Outside bar reversal. Seems hasty. Seems hasty. Does trigger. We have a gap below that needs to fill. Gap below that needs to fill. I think I hesitated too much here. I'm okay. I'm skipping it. Skip it. Spike down. Spike channel. Spiking channel. Undershoot. Undershoot. You lost that trade if you took that trap. Glad I didn't take it. But it kind of made sense. Kind of made sense. That's tricky though. I mean, trap loses like that coming off of supports. Another strong push down. Very strong push down. I'll look for a failsafe entry long here if I can get one. What the smallest candle in the universe? Another bounce up. Interesting. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Interesting. Sit on my pause here. I don't know what I'm looking at right now. I surely don't know what I'm looking at right now. Maybe a second entry short might be worth. Might be worth. Second entry long triggers. Second entry short. Confusing. Lee A, welcome. Pablo, welcome. Second entry short does trigger. I gotta try, right? If it bounces off here, that's like 3 times bouncing off this trend line. I gotta try go long, huh? I gotta try here. I feel like 3 times bouncing off this trend line. Nope. Nope. Skip it. Second entry short. It's all good. It's all good. Baby. What is going on? Confusing to me. Looks like it wants to go down, but at what cost? All right, what's your risk here when you take this trade? What's the risk? Like, is your risk way up here? How much are you willing to gain? Are you aiming to gain here? Strong push down, okay. Okay. Push up. Interesting. Wow. What is this? It's creating its own little trading range down here. Creating its little trading range down here. Mm-hmm. Do I want to mess with this? Oh, yeah. Bounce off. Double bottom, essentially. It's double bottom here, currently. Second, just short gonna skip that up. Well, no need to skip it because it doesn't trigger. Second, just short. Whoa.
2,500 tick track.
Okay, second, just short does trigger. Yep. Double bottom here. Might be reversing back up. Might be reversing back up to the top of the trading range. Wowzers. Double bottom. I'm selling down here though. Second entry short, 2,500 tick chart. All right, 2,500 tick chart, second entry short. It's big push down, looking for some follow through, looking for a new low here. Doesn't quite trigger yet. Okay, okay. Come back up to top of the trading range, perhaps. I was thinking of going long here, but the 2,500 tick 20 EMA seems like a resistance here, so I don't know. I do not know. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart.
2,500 tick trap.
OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Create a double top here. Goodness gracious, it's hard to see. Alright, we'll try, I guess. Doesn't really make sense, but what makes sense today, pandas? Who knows? Who knows? We're gonna try to get a quick scalp if we can get it. Could be a limit order market. It sure looks like a limit order market. Sure looks like it can become a limit order market. Risk is quite large. That means my reward has to be quite large as well, fortunately. It's a bad looking signal bar. Limit order market. Do I really want to try here? It's a lot of risk here. Yeah, that's not good. I'll say though, if it does hit this stop loss, it's like the trade is dead for sure. Like no reason to hold beyond here for sure. Oh my goodness, it's straight up a limit order market right now. I am in the wrong trade right now, pandas. I am in a bad trade. Very bad trade. I'm about to get hit. Come on, limit order, save me. Limit orders at the top. I need my limit order bears to save me.
2,500 tick trap.
Limit order bears, where are ya? Oh, I thought they were gonna come in, save me, but they're just loading up to launch into outer space here, huh? Just ready to launch. Might skunk this trade, take the hit. Ooh. Okay. I could have salvaged. I could have got a smaller loss here. I don't know if I want to hold this beyond this. If it comes back up, I don't know if I want to hold it on another push up. I'll just take the hit. What's my loss here? 12 point loss. I'll count that as a loss for sure. We're 1-1 right now. I did not want to hold it with another push up here. I did not want to hold through that. Especially when your 2500 tick chart looks like this. Complete overlap. We might be pushing down now. Great. Just great, but it's all good, pandas. I made my decision. I felt like if it was going to bounce, push up again, I just did not want to stick around and find out. But at the end, I guess maybe I should just held it. Green is green though, pandas. We're so green. We lost. Yeah. Tricky. Very it just got very choppy here. I just did not want to mess around here. Right, 2500 tick chart is obviously starting to turn to a limit order market, but having a hard time breaking about 20 EMA. Could push down here. 1, 2, 3 pushes down. That's what I wanted. I wanted that push down. I came out too early. I was scared to lose another 9 points, I guess. So I didn't want to hold through it. Basically just lost halfway, especially with another push up like this. I didn't want to mess around. It's even a second inch short here, right? Breakdown retest. Second inch short here. Oh, doesn't want to give it to me. I'll just take this. I'll just take this. Seems fair. Seems fair. Seems fair to me. Pushing down. This seems like a reasonable level to try to hit the previous week's close.
Target.
Hadouken! Easy peasy. How many points was that? 15 points. So we are 2-1 now. I didn't want to wait. It gave me a micro double top, but the push down just seemed like an obvious breakdown. Right, when your 2500 tick chart looks like this, can't break above 20 May, triggers a second inch short, ends with this kind of bar. I don't know. Could held it for a little bit more, but it is what it is. Yesterday's low. We're breaking yesterday's low for Big Mama here. Yesterday's low. It was a half day, though. Remember that. This is yesterday's low, but it was a half day. Well, it's going to shoot up now. Trust me. Source, myself. Continue to go down. Is this going to be a strong push down today? Is it going to be a bear trend day today? I mean, with the 5-minute bar, at the close of this bar, if it's a strong bear bar, I'm just going to sell it. I don't even care. I'm just going to sell a strong bear bar here. This is insane. This bar is so strong, especially compared to all of these bars here. If it's a strong bear bar, I might just go short. Just sell the close. It's so strong. Sell the close and probably scale in one time. Wow. What a move down, though. What a move down. Big Mama does trigger and actually gives you a nice scalp here. I was not looking towards this Big Mama because it was a half day. Right, this Big Mama, this previous day's low was created by the half day, and Bandas. We're up 365. I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind. As long as we like, as long as when we lose, we don't lose too much. Oh. Does this want another push down here off the 20 EMA? Does it want another push down off the 20 EMA? Does push down. A little bit sus to me. Sitting around pause for a little bit here. Second to short, maybe. Second to short would be hard to skip in this situation. Be hard to skip in this situation, second to short. I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna sell here.
2,500 tick trap.
Basically sold the break of the low of the 5-minute bar, thinking we're gonna have continuation here. I'll do one scale in just because the push down so strong. Is that all we're getting? Is that it? I'll do one scale in here. At where I would have a stop loss. Just one scale in. Thinking any pullback will be small. The push down was so strong. You're thinking any pullback will be small here. But we'll find out. I might get burned. I might just get burned. Strong bull bars. It's such a strong push up. I don't know. Do I really want to jump in front of this train? I think you can come up break even at least here. It's such a big loss. Darn, pandas. Darn it. I'll consider that 2 losses. So we'll be 2 and 3 now. Because I scaled in, so I'll consider that 2 losses. And the first loss was quite large. First loss, I mean, this whole thing lost 32 points. Oh my goodness, pandas. What in the world? I was really banking on the 5-minute having more follow through on the strong bear bar like this. Made the bull trends too strong. I don't know. Fails to get you short now. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, big push up. Just take my losses here. It is what it is. You gotta just know when you're wrong, I guess. I mean, look at this. Like, I was not expecting this bear bar to be matched with a bull bar just right afterwards. Right? It's basically a bear trap. I look for a fails like entry short here, but the momentum looks so strong. Like, imagine I keep scaling in here. It'd be so much pain. Way too much pain. Push up is so strong. We get no pullbacks here. Okay, getting one here for a fail second to short. Let's see if we can get a runner. See if we can get a big move here. Let's get a big move back up. See if we can get something. Or just get burned right away. Ouch. Jeez Louise. Always happens on days like today. Always happens on days like today. I'm going to set on my pause here. I might consider this day done. Because we're down 8.15 now. I don't want to like keep trading on this account. Because have a 3-point loss differential. We're going to jump to our TPT counts. Like, I'm going to be very good here. And when I'm like have my 3-point loss differential, right? I went into 2 contracts. So right there, I'm already at my 3 loss differential. I'm done. I think like I got to just kill this day because it's not like it's an easy day. It's not like it's very clear to me right now. So I'm going to just end this. We're taking take profit now. We're going to take profit. Our take profit right now, we need like $10 more to pass our PA accounts or our evals. $10 more. We're at 52,990. I wonder if I can like show this. Let me see. Yeah, you can only show the current P&L. Second entry long here. It looks choppy though. It's such a strong push back up, right? The 5-minute, it's just a strong bear bar. Could just be like a bull trend day today. Maybe. Okay, we're in this trade. See if we can get a little bamboo here. I really don't want too much. I just need enough so I can... Alright, up 85. That's all I need. Right? I just need... I'm right now... I passed my... They call them... They're not evals. They're not called evals. They're called test accounts. Right? I think they're called test accounts. So my take profit now, I just passed my take profit eval, and then we're gonna jump. We're gonna go into they're gonna turn into funded accounts. And that'll be fun, right? That's nice, right? Because then I can switch back. So if I lose on my Apex accounts, I have my take profit accounts that I can jump onto, and we can trade from there. But I'm gonna just like, I'm going to be absolutely just solid here, and I'm gonna stop trading on my Apex accounts. Like it's very hard for me to. I don't want to be down 815, but being down 815 is better than busting my accounts. You know what I mean? I can survive 5 bad days, and I think today at the end, this reversal just absolutely tricked me. It's insanely tricked me here. I don't know. Maybe I could take one more. I can't. I don't know. If I take one more trade, then what am I doing? What am I doing with these accounts? It's a trap trade here. I can't take this trap trade. I'll tell you that much. Cannot take that trap trade. Outside bar reversal. Right. I take this one, I lose it. It's not like I want to make the same mistake here. Do I want to take one more trade? Nah. 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 I shouldn't. I really shouldn't. You know what? I'll take a fail so I can just short on the 2500 take chart. That'll be my only setup I'll take on these accounts. 2500 tick chart. If there is a fail second entry short here, ooh, that's a good signal bar for a second entry short. Oh, goodness gracious. Mamma mia. What a second entry short. Good signal bar. Good looking signal right off the 20 MA. Strong push down. Such a nice looking signal bar. But I will only take the trap here. Trap still might trigger. We might still be in Trap City. It's not how I like it though. It's not how I like it typically. The 5 minute, just one leg down, one leg up right now. Three overlapping bars in the beginning of the day. Okay, lower high. I don't know what to make of this. Lower high. Second entry short. Possibly. It's like a small spike in channel here, I guess. Okay. Interesting. I have a short bias right now. Jeez. Ends up having follow through ultimately, but the 5 minute. Right, the 5 minute ultimate does have follow through on the strong bear bar. Just really strong pullback. A huge pullback here. Much bigger than I was willing to take. Huge pullback. Like I can't. The second entry short 2500 tick chart was actually the trade that I needed to take. Now this is just flushing here. Flushing here. With no entries though, that's the problem, right? It's flushing with no entries. I don't have an entry here, Pandas. It's just flushing, but it's gonna be one of those days where you just might have to jump in. I don't know. Just jump in here like this. Quick scalp. See if we can get something here. Strong bear bar, that's a good sign. Taking another trade far away from 20 MA. Could be my demise here. Almost scalps me out, but nah, reverses. Most likely take me out now. Most likely take me out now. Yep, most likely. That's why I got to stop trading. That's why I got to stop trading. 3 losses, pandas. Not 4 losses. Now I want to keep trading. Now the thing in my brain is just like triggered. The demons are taking over. Goodness gracious. The demons are taking over right now. Alright, last trade. Last trade. Got that new low. Fail second entry short is what I'm looking for. That's it. And I'm done. I'm done here. Fail second entry short. I'm actually done here. Second entry short does trigger. Hidden second entry short. Hidden second short's not good enough for me. What a push down. Let's see if I can capture some momentum here after a single pullback. Doesn't look like we're getting much here. I mean, I gotta do one more trade, right? I'm already tilted. What's one more trade? What's the worst that could happen? One more trade. Fail second entry short is what I'm looking for here, huh? Bad signal bar. All right. Last trade of the day here. I need this to trigger the second to short and trap. This is the final trade. If it flushes, it flushes, and that's it. I'll just watch it go without me. Right, this failing here just makes me feel like the momentum's not as strong as I thought. Last trade. Oh, it's a fail trap. Jeez. What a day. A fail trap. Wow. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting a fail trap there. It is what it is. It's just, it is what it is. I gotta go short here. I'm looking for a fail second entry long now. I've lost my mind, pandas. I've absolutely lost my mind here. If it pushes up now, it is what it is. And I just cry. I just cry in my sleep. What insane price action right now. It's actually insane price action. Hello. All right. How crazy is that trap that triggers here? This trap fails. This trap fails. It's just ultimate just choppiness. It's crazy. That's crazy to me. It is what it is. That's just crazy to me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Looks like it's going back up. I don't know, Pandas. I have no idea. No clue what's happening here. Now I gotta stay in. All right. I mean, a loss is a loss is a loss. Let's keep this snowball rolling, yeah? Shall we? Let's keep this snowball rolling here. What a push up. I mean, I don't know, Pandas. This is crazy. Oh, eye pattern on the 5-minute chart. Wow, wow, wow. Big push up. Maybe, possibly. Trap. I mean, as long as we're in this channel, it's hard to make a trade. Channel's so tight. Channel's too tight, can't make a trade, really? Gee, if I skipped the last shot, I'd be rich. As we all. Bless Bevan. Pandu. Alright, sure, thanks. I'll take it. Huh. Okay. Oh, eye pattern on the 5-minute chart. It looks somewhat bearish here, to be honest. I'll try. Feels like entry long here. I'll try. Double. Okay, it looks like. Are we okay? We got our setup. I mean, this pushes up all the way. That's just what it is. It's just it is what it is. Bye bye. All right. How can I go short here now? It's not possible. Unless I'm a madman. How can I go short here? Unless I'm a madman. I'll try with one. in this trade. Just one contract. Enter again on the break of the inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, the inside bar, it's an OI pattern on the 5-minute. We're trying to make a play on that if we can. Today's traps are just not doing anything. Gotta stay away from traps today. Traps are typically my most reliable setup, but today it is biting me in the butt, the booty hole. Goodness gracious, I'll just take the hit. It is what it is. That's why one contract was fine there. Big push up, failed trap here. All right, I mean, I'm obviously confused. I don't know, man. Big push up, like unusually strong push up here. This trap, it's another trap. Sure, why not? This time's going with momentum at least. Today day, every single trap will fail. Is that just what kind of day it's going to be today? Maybe. Possibly. Decent push up, but it's going to be a choppy day today, looks like. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Why do I feel like today it's going to be a bearish day today? I don't know. I'm gonna trap my trigger here. I got burned by like 500 traps today. I'm just going to skip it. It's all good. I'm addicted to Nascraq. I need an antidote. Someone give me an antidote. I'm losing my mind. I've lost my mind already. I've gone beyond. I'm like 2 and like what? I lost this one. That's 1, 2, 3. We'll add 3 more. So 2 and 8 right now. That trap does fail. Goodness gracious, disgusting. Disgusting, eh? Absolutely disgusting price action. This is not like for scalping. It's very tricky. Very tricky for scalpers today. Okay. Yeah, some sort of lower high or something if I want to go short.
5-minute trap.
This risk is insane. It's an insane amount of risk. Doesn't make sense, this trade. Alright, whatever. I'll take the risk and I'll scale in one time. It's starting to look like a limit order market. Big up, big down. But it's break a trend new high. It could just continue downtrend. Ooh, does not even allow me in. Okay, I'm in this trade. I have a wide stop. I also have a big target here. I have a wide stop because I want to scale in at least once. I want to have one scale in here. That seems fair. So 1-to-1. I have one scale in. Why do I continue to trade on days like today where I know it's all negative EV? Why do I trade on days like today where I know it's going to be negative EV, right? I know it's going to be a bad day of trading. Why do I do this to myself, pandas? I've lost my mind. If you're in the hole, might as well dig deeper until you get to the other side. You know what I mean? Maybe worth it. The 5 minute looks like a limit order market, right? It just looks like they sold here, bought here, sold. Like it's just in a limit order market right now. And to go short here could be silly just because it looks obviously like there's a bunch of limit orders waiting down here, but through the price action at least. It looks kind of obvious. No? Maybe we get a decent push down here. Decent push down. It's okay. It's a scalp pretty much. Nothing to clamor about. Bear bar. Any near its low on the 5 minute. Maybe some always in bears, but looks like more like limit order market. Looks more like a limit order market to me. Looks more like a limit order market to me, pandas. Lower high doesn't get anywhere. Just reverses outside par reversal. Absolutely insane. Yeah, limit order galore, right? Like people just come in with limit orders. Strong bear bar, I don't care because they know it's a limit order market. They just buy it at the close of this bar. So I can just short here. I almost want to take the fails. I get just short because I know it's a limit order market. We'll hold on to the dream. This is gonna be a trap trade. How many traps have failed today, though? Maybe this will be another one that fails. Who knows? Trap does trigger. It's gonna be the most beautiful trap, the one I skip. No clue. It's a limit order market. What am I kidding myself? I'm in a really bad trade again. Well, if you're in a hole, dig deeper. See how deep we can go. Failed trap could be a blessing for us, knowing that our traps, all the traps have been failing today. Okay, we're in this trade. Double contracts. I don't know. I could just use this as my stop loss. Something like this. I would love a flush down right now. I would love a flush down. I don't think we're getting it though today. Not on a day like today. Yeah, just take the hit. Or it's a double trap, like quadruple trap here. It's just insane. Oh, pandas! Ugh. Is this a reverse panda indicator? Not like this. Ah, I knew it. That's why I should have just stopped at the 3 loss differential, pandas, because I knew that if I lose 3 more losses than wins at any point in time, I know the market's gonna be shot. Like, look at this market. Like, this is the only time I'll really lose 3 like beyond my wins, and I just continue to trade into this nonsense. I don't know what to do here. I got hit and then it comes back down. I don't know. Just if it flushes down now, pandas, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna absolutely lose my mind here if it just flushes here. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Wow, pandas. Why is the price action so nasty these days? Well, good news is, pandas, I passed my take profit evals, which is nice. So next time we trade a take profit accounts, it's gonna be they're gonna be fully funded. I think I need like 2 more days of trading on. Oh, I need 1 more day of trading on them. So by Wednesday they'll be funded. So if I do like start to lose my mind, we can really crank the take profit. And you can withdraw in 1 day. You just have to take an 80% cut. And you gotta also make like first you need to make $2,000 before you withdraw. This market is insane mode. It hurts, man. It hurts. It hurts. Down 2K. I mean, you never want to be down that much, ever. I should have just taken it at 800, knowing that today was going to be confusing. And it is. It was confusing. It is confusing day. Like, I have to come to a realization. If I have a 3 loss differential, it's like the day's already confusing. You know, it's already proven to be confusing. I'm 2-10 right now, pandas. Is it possible? It's crazy. We are like in a limit order market right now. It's kind of crazy. It's like a bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, 5-minute chart, right? Like it's like bear bar, bull bar. It's just like alternating every other bar. All right. I'll take 1 more trade. 1 more trade. I don't know. It's another inside bar OI pattern. I mean, should I have just held my original trade into this? I can't even take this. I can't even take it. Just too much risk. If I held my original trade, original stop loss, but it's just insane risk, pandas. Like the risk was insane, and I already scaled in 1 time, so I couldn't do it again. Now it's flushing to my target. I don't know. I got burned so many times doing this trade. 5,000th time is a charm. That's what they say, right? 100th time's a charm. 100th time a charm. Isn't that the saying? Isn't that how it goes? Can't make 10 points. Can't even make 10 stinking points. Pandas. Goodness gracious. Going short again. I've lost my mind, pandas. I've absolutely lost all my screws here. Pushes up again. Come out break even. My risk is too much. My risk is too much here. Low probability trade here. Can you go without taking me out first, please? Can you go without taking me out first, please? One time? One time? Nope, not today. Can't go without taking me out first. It's too choppy. I had a decent trade. Not even. This was a scalp. It was a scalp. I come up break even. Because I wanted more. Ah, Pandas is today's shot. Today's absolutely shot. Always in short now, maybe. The market might be in. Okay. Or not. Same shenanigans.
2,500 tick trap.
Absolutely same shenanigans here. I have a bearish lens right now. I am a panda after all. Pandas, is this it? Have we found the one? Whoa, it doesn't fill me. It doesn't even fill me. Alright, we're filled. It's a trap on 2,500 tick. Hopefully we can get a nice little flush here. Or not. Wowzers. It completely destroys me. I mean, what do you expect on a day like today?
2,500 tick trap.
What do you expect on a day like today? Everything's just reversing, chopping me up. It's not worth extending my stop loss, is it? Is this where you get absolutely destroyed and burned? Isn't that how you bust accounts? Isn't that how you bust accounts, pandas? Keep extending your stop loss? All right. It's way too much risk. Wow. You're just hoping everything reverses today. You know what I mean? You're just hoping everything reverses today. Whatever risk I'm taking, I'm going to gain. I'm looking for as a target.
Target filled.
Oh, wow. I just took the hit. That was weird. Counts are getting about get busted, huh? You got about $1,000 more. All right. I don't know what happened here. I had the wrong order and actually came out prematurely here. It's okay. I can extend my stop loss more. Whatever I risk, I need to make. So you got to make at least this much. Does that make sense? Will it come down this far? Who knows? Wowzers. Alright. I found the worst place to try to go continue. What did I expect on a day like today? Limit order market. Just strong bear bar, limit orders buying it up. I mean, you can almost expect limit orders to sell as well. That's the thing about these markets. This might be a good place for trap? I don't know. Maybe. Trap's been failing all day today, though. Traps have absolutely been failing all day today. I would just like to see the color green for once. It's been a long time since I've seen the color green. Do I really want to hold into this trap? If it does trap me out here? Not really. Actually, sure. All the traps have been failing today. Traps have been failing today, so... The 5,000th time the trap fails, let's actually take advantage of it. Lee A says, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me 5,000 times, can't fool me again. Absolutely. Pretty sure that's how the saying goes. Pretty sure that's how the saying goes. Who am I kidding? This trade is dead. Isn't it? Isn't this trade dead? Who am I kidding, Pandas? Isn't this trade absolutely dead right now? Trap about to trigger here. Who am I kidding right now, Pandas? Isn't this trade absolutely kaputs? Trap triggers. It's going to fly now. The one trap I skip. The one trap I'm actually against in. It's going to fly, isn't it? The one trap that I skip, it's going to fly. With like 7 overlapping bars in a row. It's going to just fly without me. Yep. The one trap I skip, it's the one that goes against me. Yep. That's just how days like today go. One thing goes wrong, infinite things go wrong after that. It's not enough for one thing to go wrong. Infinite things need to go wrong. You can't do anything right. You know what I mean, pandas? It's one of those days. One of those days. Jeez Louise. Accounts are about to get busted here. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Accounts about to get busted here. It's nice knowing ya. This trade doesn't even make sense. It absolutely doesn't even make any sense here. Maybe limit order market still. Nope. These counts are dead. They're dead in like 5 seconds. Yep, they're dead. Ah, pandas, I can't believe it. That's why you stop at 3.3 loss differential. So you don't have to trade through days like today. The one trap that actually works is the one that kills me. I've entered how many traps? Like trap here, trap here, trap here, trap here, trap here. Like I entered like I can't tell how many traps I entered in. And the one trap that actually works out is the one that busts your accounts. Goodness gracious. It's one of those days, yeah. Ah, pandas. I'll tell you what though. Use code BBM for 80% off Apex. I mean, what a time to have this code. What a time to have this code. Gotta reload on those funded accounts. Oh, I guess I'll start with my new set. Oh, man, pandas. Man, oh, man, oh, man. My new set of PA accounts. No matter what, if I have a 3 loss differential, I am done. I just look at today, pandas. Like, why did I even try to trade on a day like today? Look at this 5-minute chart. Like, how impossible is this to trade? It's actually impossible. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Key area panda. Look left on a daily time frame. Or I'm in a daily. Oh wow. Alright, I guess I should look at the daily chart. I don't know. It's like an inch long here. Alright, brand new accounts. Let's see what we can make of these. Let's take one trade here. Let's take one proper trade. Like, it's so choppy. Like, is this a trading range or is it a... I don't know. Small trading range here. Last trade of the day. Here we go. Second inch long. The trap to rule them all. It's a second inch long. Good looking signal bar. Maybe looking for a new high, break a trend new high. Coming back to the top of the channel, perhaps. Perhaps. Okay, no trap. Actually pushes higher, second entry long. Well, it's just a simple second entry long. Wasn't expecting that. Let's breakout retest that breakout area right here. Jeez Louise, pandas. How tilted can you get? How tilted can one panda absolutely get? Ugh. The one-to-one was hit actually on this trap, which is incredible. It was actually what I wanted. That trade, this trap to make a one-to-one. It's a big risk, but big reward, right? One-to-one. Jeez.
Five-minute trap.
2,500 tick trap.
My trade copier is messed up. It's not copying. I see. Darn it. Trade copier is not working. It's working, but I didn't set it up right. So we're gonna get the scalp without it being copied over,
Target filled.
unfortunately. Jeez, why was it set up like that? How annoying was that? Alright, that's annoying. Well, we want to trade, but they didn't get copied. But I have no one to blame except myself for that one. Jeez, the waste. Well, we got one account that's like up. I almost want to take one more trade just so I can get a trade day in for the rest of the accounts, but let's see if it's worth. Any follow through on this? Probably not, but let's see. Just make a hundo if we can. I'd love to make a full scalp if we can make it. Just a lower high. Strong bear bar ending near its low. 2500 tick chart looking for some follow through. But today is not a day with any bar has follow through. It really just reverses every bar here. Okay, we're getting a little bit here. Okay. Okay, might be a bona fide scalp here now. What was I thinking? Why did I think they could actually scalp? Outside bar reversal, of course. Failed trap. What else would it be? What else would it be, pandas? Of course it would be that. Anyways, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. This is absolutely insane. Don't forget, tomorrow we have FOMC coming at 2, so it could be a slow day until we hit the news. But pandas, I mean, just take it for today. It is what it is. I lost my mind. But thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. As always, have a trading. God bless. Bye.